Hi, how are you doing? In this video, we're going to explain the steps you need to follow to make trimester 1 project. In this project, we're going to consolidate what did we learn in chapter 1, lasts in Python. You're going to design a program interface that will for example, help a team manager to manage his team members' names in a list. If we stop, I'm gonna run, just expand my console. Here we're having the title of the program, then a description for the program, and we're having three options. A, to append a value to a list, to add a value to a list. Number B is to print the team list. X, to exit the program. And here we're having a question to answer. This is A, and it should be written in caps lock. Click enter, enter member name. I'm gonna enter Fatma. This is one of your team members. Click enter. He will ask again, what would you like to do? I need to append another value, so I'm gonna go for A and click another name like Ali. Okay, again, this time I need to print my list, so I'm gonna go for the second option and enter D, and here we go. It prints Fatma and Ali and team manager again with the three options. This time I would like to exit, so I'm gonna click X and it should be a caps lock, and when we click enter the program will stop and I will have a message, you have two on your list. Okay, how did I do this? First of all, you need to open any online Python editor. Choose any. You can go for the one we're using in the class or any other one. Then delete the ready codes here and close this one. Close the ad. Start by writing a title for your project or for your program. By the way, do not copy and paste from the video. Again, do not copy and paste from the video. This will be considered as plagiarism. Do your own idea. It could be your goal list. It could be your to-do list. It could be your favorite movies list. By the way, it could be your dreams list. Okay, select any list you wish and select any three different options. Maybe definitely we need to have one to append the list, to add values or to append to a list. Number two, maybe printing to a list, maybe deleting an item from the list. The third one, maybe changing a value in the list as we did in the class, using its index by replacing its value. Okay, so this time I'm going to add a title, and the starting of the program should be the title, print. Okay, sorry, it should be small letters, print, and inside it write team manager. Then we need to print any artistic line with any sign. I'm gonna go this time for at and print any description you need. I'm gonna copy from the other one, minimize. I'm gonna go for this one and copy to save the time of the video. Okay, there's extra. quotation here. Okay, then I will be printing like adding a new line to leave a space between these three lines and the coming line, to leave a space between them. Could be done by writing /n. This is a new line, and the backslash is here, this one. Okay, n, not the normal slash, not this one. I need the backslash. Clicking run, we're having on the console the title, any line with any signs, then the description. Go back in line 5 and we're going to write our choices to select from. I'm gonna go and copy them. This is a simple print line. Okay, definitely change them as much as you can. Just go and print them. Now the user have the option to select between the three of them. Okay, A, B, and X. Okay, and I wanna have like a question for the user with choice, any variable like choice, for example. Again, do not copy, choose equal, this is input, enter your choice, enter your choice. Okay, enter. Now we're gonna add a conditional statement. If the user input is A, we're going to append our list with a value, but actually we didn't create our list yet, so at the beginning I'm gonna take enter and create an empty list, mine called team list, which is an empty one. Okay, I created a list with an empty square brackets. Okay, and I'm gonna write if, okay, choice, the user input, equal, we're writing equal with two equal sign as we're having a comparison. Equal what? Equals A. If this is true, we're going to append our list with a name. Our list called team list, this one, dot append. Okay, dot append. Append it with what? Yeah, we need to take the user input first, so have a variable called name, which equals input between quotation, enter your member name, enter your team member name. What will be inputted by the user will be appended here. So here I'm gonna write name. Okay, the other option, another if statement. If choice equal to D, I need it with a capital letter, colon, and do not forget to add the colon. Enter. Leave the correct indentation whenever you're getting your mouse cursor here. This is the correct place to add your inputs. Okay, this time I need to print my list, so print. Inside it I'm gonna write my list name. Okay, and hopefully we are ready. Click run. Enter your choice. A. Enter your team member name. Ali. Okay. Enter. Okay, خلاص. The program stopped. I need something to repeat the 3 options again. If I need to add one more member to my list, what should I do? I want to have the option to ask again which option would you like to select, what is your choice, and so ever. يعني I need to select between A, B and X. What should I do? Yes, we need to have a loop that will be repeat. But how many times do I need to repeat? We don't know. So if we don't know how many times of repetition, we need to use a conditional loop. We want to go for while loop. Back to our code. I'm gonna go up here and write while what? Our program should keep on repeating as long as the user didn't select to exit the program. Meaning if the user selection is not X, he didn't select to exit the program, his answer is not X. This is not equal. Exclamation equal means not equal. So while choice not equal to what? Not equal to X. If this is true, repeat the program, repeat asking. Don't forget the colon and click enter. Okay. مشكلة هنا بقى ان احنا لازم نغير الاندنتيشن بتاعة البروجرام، عشان لو سبناه كده هيدينا ايرور. لان المفروض لما اعمل انتر كل البروجرام يبتدي من الاندنت دي، علشان ده كده sub من number 3. This is a main code and the coming is a sub of line number 3. Simply place your mouse here in the beginning and go backspace, or select, cut, and place your mouse here, paste. We need to go back يعني manage your indentations. I'm sorry, quickly. Okay. Enter. Okay. Here we need one indentation عشان دي F وليها sub، فبعد الكولن برضو لازم ارجع واخد indentation. من غير ال correct indentations انا عندي مشكلة. الF نفس الاندنت بتاعت الF، والprint في نفس الاندنت بتاعت النيم والتايم لاين. يبقى 14 و 15 sub from 13 and 17 sub from 16. اوكي. طيب لو عملنا run دلوقتي الكود ده هيدينا error. ليه؟ the code is running up down from line 1 and going down لحد line 3. احنا ما كناش قلنا له choose ده جه منين او choice ده جه منين، ما نعرفش هو choice هنا في line 12 equal to the user input. فأنا محتاجة أقول له choice ده equal what. actually this is the error we got. Name error, name choice is not defined. It doesn't have a value. We didn't create it yet. We just said while choice not equal x. So simply go here, write choice equal empty quotation. Why I'm adding an empty quotation? Choice is a string value, a text value that should be added in between double quotation, starting it with an empty value. I'm giving it an initial value as empty value. Empty value for a string value is a empty quotation. Run your program now. Okay, maximize the console. Write your first choice A. Okay, A. Enter. Write any names. Ali. Okay, my choice is A. Fatma. Amr. Any names. Now I need to print. Okay, I'm having my list printed. And here we go. If I need to exit, click X and we're done. Okay, if you need to print the list length, go out of the list here on the same line of the code. It means after exiting the loop. انا خلاص كده عملت exit للبروجرام و exit للكود لما عملت click، فممكن ساعتها اعمل print to the length list. اوكي هنا كده واكتب len اللي هي len list، len small len، وجوه البرنتسيس بتاعت len هكتب اسم الليست بتاعتي team list. تمام. لو عايزين تزودوا كده جملة لطيفة شوية ممكن تقولوا له your team are for example، وما نساش ان انا بعد الكوتيشن دي لازم احط كوما كده. هو هيعمل printing للي جوه الكوتيشن، بعد كده للlength of the list. your team are بعد كده members. for example هيكتب your team are 3 members whatever، يعني انتوا عايزين تحطوا البراند ستيتمنت بتاعتكوا ازاي. طيب الكود ده now we need to block any bad inputs. The bad inputs are the inputs of the user that may make the program to crash or stop working or so ever. ممكن البروجرام نفسه ما يشتغلش، الانبوتس دي تدي errors and so ever. Do you remember the term robust program? We need to submit a robust program that wouldn't crash. هنعمل ايه؟ هنعمل clicking run. Enter your choice. If the user entered A, the program wouldn't work. It wouldn't ask him enter your team member name because he didn't enter a capital letter. لو عملت capital letter هيشتغل. طيب نعمل fixing للإيرور ده ازاي؟ نروح على اليوزر input هنا click dot and use a function called upper. Upper will convert any lower case to be uppercase. It's a function that should be followed by the 2 parentheses. فلازم احط ال parentheses و this is a void function ما بيتحطش جوه ال parentheses حاجة. ده معنى void function دي اسمها كده. هنعمل stop و run. دلوقتي بقى لو عملنا A the user wrote A البروجرام هيشتغل عادي جدا. هنكمل enter. I'm going to append another one. okay append كمان A. Okay, now print. Okay, I'm having 3. I need to exit X. Your team are 3 members. Okay, you can choose the idea as I told you to any other idea. One of your options may be deleting one element or an element on the list. But bear in mind you need to ask the user which element would you like to delete, and in the deleting function you're going to pass the index of the element the user entered. You may replace any element by assigning a different value to its index and so on. Thank you so much. I'm waiting to see your creative project. Bye.